Hello guys, so this is how to fix the video call problem on Messenger. So first thing you're gonna need to do is just make sure that you don't need an update for Messenger. So if you want to do that, just head over to the App Store or Google Play if you have an Android. And then just type in the search bar Messenger. And then wait for it to load up. Yep, here it is. Now you just need to make sure that you don't have an update option available. You need to make sure that you have the latest update of Messenger. Then the next thing you're gonna do is make sure that Messenger has the permission to use your camera and microphone. So to do that, you need to head over to the settings. So let me go there, settings. And then into the search bar, just type Messenger. Here it is, just click on it. And make sure that the microphone and camera buttons are toggled on. And that is it. Your app should be working just fine now. You should be able to make video calls on Messenger.